Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening Outlook and creating a new meeting event. Add a clear title, date, start and end times, and at least one attendee so rooms become visible. Once done, click the Location or Rooms button to load room lists. This queries availability in real time and shows capacity and features. Make sure the calendar view is set to the meeting date so suggested slots reflect the right day, and keep the event duration accurate to avoid double booking. Now, pick a room from the list. You'll see capacity, location, and resource notes that matter for your meeting. Then open the scheduling assistant to compare attendee availability versus room free/busy times. If the room shows a conflict, shift the time or choose another room. Make sure to add any AV or catering requests in the event body so organizers and facilities have instructions. If the room requires approval, expect a pending response. You can propose. Finally, send the meeting invite and watch the responses. Attendees and the room mailbox will accept, decline, or mark pending. Once the room accepts, the calendar shows it reserved. Make sure to confirm any special setup by emailing facilities. If the room stays unavailable, use the scheduling assistant to propose a different slot or pick a nearby room with similar features. If you can't find rooms or get permission errors, contact your IT admin or facilities manager for booking rights and room direct.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.